We moved to induction cooking because we were early adopters of solar, particularly interested in energy efficiency, and we're an all-electric household, so wanting to keep up with energy efficient cooking. What really has convinced us about the benefits of induction cooking is how fast it is, that it's a lot cleaner, just wipe the stove top over and it's done, and it is saving us on our energy bill. And even though we chose to purchase new pots and pans, you don't have to do that. You can actually buy a mat that you put under your pots and pans so that they can be used on induction cooktops. Induction cooking is part of being an all-electric household. We have only a 1.5 kilowatt system because we're early adopters, but we now are more than $700 in credit after 2 years with our current energy retailer. Noosa is a biosphere, and we know that we're part of the transition to renewable energies.